Crash courses. Today's crash course is on the wandering albatross. Sometimes I think to myself, Self, what is that albatross wondering about?
It's not wondering, sir. It's wandering, as in to roam.
Ooh, I like the sound of that, Sandra. That's why I'm gonna construct a pair of wings to roam alongside them.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
If I had a dime for every time you said that, I could pay my medical bills. All right, today's Fast Facts. Fact number 1. Albatrosses spend their whole lives flying over the ocean, going all the way around the Earth several times. Fact 2. A wandering albatross can soar for hundreds of miles, almost never flapping its wings. And fact number 3. A wandering albatross has the longest wingspan of any bird, almost 12 feet. I'm sure those albatrosses are wondering where I am. Ta-ta!
It's wandering. Never mind.
Here I am standing on the edge of a cliff. I've just completed my wings. Sandra, prepare to be amazed.
Sir, I don't think you've really thought this through.
Sorry, Sandra, I can't hear you above all this squawking.
They look angry, sir.
Hardly, my gloomy intern. They merely see me as one of their own. Well, that was upsetting. That went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.